are proud to present the alphabet from A to Z. Some letters are made of straight lines, and some are curvy and round, but every letter makes a sound.
The A says ah.
The B says b. The C says k.
And the D says D.
The E says eh.
And the F says
The G says G.
And the H says
the I says eh.
and the J says J.
The K says k.
And the L says oh 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 oh.
The M says and the N says
The O says ah ha 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 ha.
And the P says
The Q says qua.
And the R says
The S says
and the T says t.
the U says and the B says boo.
The W says what.
and the X says
The Y says yeah.
And the Z says Z. And those are all the letters in the